everyone. So I always wanted to create kind of try out a messenger to create a messenger by myself. So in this kind of playlist, let's try to create one. Let's see how far can we go. Um, let's start from creating a GitHub project. So I've created the the new profile, and I set up the SSH and everything. So let's just dive into the repository itself. Let's call it voice for now. It should be good. I'll make it public so you can access the code whenever you want. We'll add readme and git ignore license later. So let's hit create repository. Now we have SSH. Let's copy that. So what I've done so far, just created the Git folder at the root. And yeah, I just open it in terminal. So what we're gonna do now, we just wanna clone this repo, right? Hit enter. All right, let's see how it goes. Voice, all right. We have that. So I've prepared the git ignore with a ChatGPT help. And yeah, it's just, I don't know, the templates. I think everyone knows that. So nothing new here. And let's just parse it. Let's just paste it into the folder. So we can now open this repo in Sublime Merge. Of course, you can use whatever you want. Let's open it full screen. And what I'm gonna do now, I just wanna check that we added the git ignore here. Let's stage the changes, but before, let's double check that we have the branches. I don't see the one here. Let's create one. Call it dev. All right, we should have the branch now. Let's hit, I don't know, add git ignore, commit, push. So we should now have the developer branch here. And if we refresh the page, we should see our git ignore here. Perfect. Let's for now not think about branches. What I'm gonna do now, I just want to create the Xcode project there. So we'll work with a Swift UI for simplicity, because we just want to know the kind of the concept, how to deal with many stuff on high level. Let's see how it goes. And yes, so iOS application next. So yeah, of course, product name. Let's just use voice for now. This should be fine. I don't know. And bread. What's the name? And bread dev should be interface. Swift UI. The team, we don't need that for now. I hope this should be fine. I'm not sure. Language Swift. Yeah. Storage, we don't need that for now. Include test. Not for now. So the product name. Voice. I mean, yeah, you can of course rename it to whatever you want. Let's just keep voice for now. Next. No, we don't need to create a Git repo now. What are you gonna do? You're gonna open our repo here and hit create. All right. Let me double check that our Xcode. I just wanted to disable the Git, the source control. Yes. And then Xcode. All right. Let's remove that from here. Oh, I don't like. I mean, I did not set up the scheme here. I'll do this later. All right. So we should be good to go. And if I just hit run, I hope this will work. Let's see. We'll of course optimize and talk about architecture and the final kind of overview later, not here. And this is just purely to set up everything like the project. All right. So it's kind of slow when I call install, call build. All right, we are here. And what I'm gonna do now, I just want to stage these changes, like add project, Xcode project. Is it Xcode Proj or what's Xcode Proj? Yeah, I just Xcode Proj, maybe like this. Xcode Proj. We'll of course use workspaces, but it's like kind of next step. Let's now hit push button. Yeah, I mean, I prefer the kind of application rather than console, so yeah, should work. So we have now our Xcode project here. Perfect. And that should be it for now, for the project setup. Later we'll try to address dependencies and all that stuff and have our own kind of toolkit, I don't know, for pod management and so on, templates. But for now, that should be all. Thank you everyone for watching and see you later.